Okay, it's two places you could jump this BMW off if you need a jump. And you also need to get probably one of these, or you can buy a smaller one, and I'll put it in the description below, but it's jumpers, just in case there's nobody around and you need to jump. But here on the BMW, the first place you want to try to jump it, if you got access to it, is right here under the hood. You have your positive, and you could ground anywhere on here, but this right here is the best place to ground. I'm gonna show you. First thing you want to do is put your positive on first. It's very important. If you put your negative on and your positive touch the frame or anything, you'll have a problem. You might get a spark. So first you put your positive on. As you can see, I put my positive on right here. Then you just take your negative and you can put it right here. And you're gonna hear this thing starting to beep. That lets you know you got it correct. You see that? I mean, everything's good. And then just boot, if you need some jumper cable, if somebody have a truck or car, but make sure you hook it up. That's your positive and your negative. So when you get ready to take it off, take your negative off first. You see, I'm just throwing it on the frame. Then take your positive. So this is where it's located here on the BMW. And it should be marked, your positive and anywhere else, and you could just ground it here for your negative. Like I said, put your positive on first. Let me show you, in case you can't get to the front, you might be in the top tight place. Go to your trunk, and in your trunk, looking at this BMW, you look to the right hand side. This is a 2006 530i. Only thing you do is just lift this back, and you have access to your batteries. So you got your negative here, and it's marked. In red is gonna be your positive. See, it's pretty tight to get here, but you got to be careful when you're in the back because you don't have really good access to the terminals. So you probably could get a good spot here on your positive, and there go your negative. And you do it the same way as I showed you in the front. So those are two locations in case you need to jump off your vehicle or get a jump start. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.